Everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can change your email on your Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So the first step you want to do is go to Spotify's website. It's only gonna work if you're in Spotify's website because you can only change your email through Spotify's website. Alright, so you want to go to spotify.com. After you go to spotify.com, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to click on where it says profile. Once you click on profile, you want to click on where it says accounts over here. And once you come over here, you want to click on where it says edit profile at the bottom over here. And once you click on edit profile, you want to click on your email over here, which is entered right now. And you want to cross the email and enter a new email. After entering your new email, what you want to do is scroll down at the bottom and click on where it says save profile. After you do that, a confirmation mail is going to be sent to the email which you just entered on Spotify. You want to go to your email and check if Spotify has sent you a confirmation email or not. And click on the email which Spotify has sent you and click on where it says confirm email. After you confirm the email is yours, basically your Spotify email will be changed. So that's basically how you guys can change your Spotify email.